This partner has helped me earn thousands of dollars in a short time. It is simple and versatile, but few people really know how to use it. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the break and retest pattern in just a few minutes and show how you can use it and gain an advantage in the market. This is one of the most common patterns in the entire market, and the best thing about it is just it happens literally every day, and it's really very simple. And let me show how it looks like. Here its price is breaking, retesting, and then heading to the upside. And obviously, if you flip it around, now the price is breaking, retesting, and then heading to the downside. It can happen on all different time periods, it can happen on all different currency pairs, on anything, because the market has to move up and down. So guys, let's look into it in more detail. So guys, this is how these patterns look like, and I will show you a few options of them that may appear on the chart. So, the first one is the trend continuation break and retest pattern. So it looks something like this. I have bullish examples here, and I will show you bearish examples when we go down to the chart. And in this situation, we're having the lows, highest lows, highest highs, followed by more of the highest highs. And this is what trading market normally does in a price chart. It's growing. And what we are looking for is the break of the resistance level in trading market. Then the retest of the resistance level. Here is the retest level that was broken. Here is the retest. We would be capturing the retest of that resistance level, looking for it to provide trade continuation to the upside to capture. The second one, here is a consolidation break and retest pattern. So this is how it looks like. The consolidation break and retest pattern is when the market is doing something like this. Consolidation is creating resistance and support levels. And then you see the third, at least the third test of the resistance level, and then the market breaks out that level of the resistance. So, what happens, it counts as a break of that levels, and we're waiting for the retest of that level to continue in the direction of the initial breakout. And the third one that we need to learn today is the rising and falling triangle break and retest pattern. It looks something like this. The market creates a high, then consistently creates a similar high, creates rising support levels. This would be our area of resistance that we are looking to break, and then the market would break the resistance level. After creating these rising support levels, we would be looking for retest right here, hence the word break and retest of this level of the market to continue that initial direction. Guys, this is one of my main strategies that I use every day, but I don't have enough time to shoot everything for videos, so I publish the rest of the content on my Telegram channel. There I conduct trading sessions, give useful materials, and publish the trading signals that you can freely use. How this trading concept looks like on the chart, find out how it works, and of course understand how to use it to draw conclusions about price movements. So we have the GBP and USD currency pair open, and here I found a great situation that will fit this trading strategy. Here I can point out the support and resistance levels, and here we can see a nice trading corridor. So let's draw it. Okay, and here we have, as we can see, price is moving to the upside, and we can mark approximate touch points from which the price pushes off and goes in the opposite direction to another level. We call the lower level the support level, the upper level is called the resistance level, and the price doesn't go beyond these levels, but there are some exceptions. And our strategy today is such an exception, of course. We can observe at this point that the price breaks the lower border, like the support level, and after that goes to a new support level. So, what is the break and retest concept? In simple words, it's a breakdown of one of the levels. As we can see here, the price has broken the lower border. This is called break. And retest means that the price is pushing back from the previous support level. But at the moment it's not a support level, but a resistance level. Look, we've got a new trading corridor here, and we see one trading corridor going into another trading corridor. And of course, they're connected. And that's what the break and retest strategy is all about. In this situation, the price goes in one range, then the price sharply breaks the support level, and a new trading corridor is formed. And that's it. A new price movement is obtained, and in this situation we can also note the following borders. Roughly we can mark them as follows. This is how approximate concept of break and retest looks like. At this point, guys, I will sign the break. And at this point we can see that the price has broken the support level, and that's what's called a break. So now let's take a look at what retest will look like. So, and that's it. And in this trading corridor, the upper border is already a resistance level. Once again, here we see the resistance level from above and the support level from below. But for the new trading corridor, this support level is a mirror and becomes a resistance level. In this case, the price pushes from this level, so the trading corridor has ended here, and the chart movement occurs here. Further, the price breaks through the lower border and goes down. And here the price again pushes back, and already here we can distinguish a new support level. I mean, this is where we draw this line. We can extend it here, and from this point on we can be sure that the price won't go higher. So a new level has been formed, and in this case it's a resistance level. And right here, just look, there are a few steps of the trade corridors. Thus we can safely make profits on this situation in the markets at any time. Now let's discuss the best time frames for using this trading strategy. But before that, put this video on pause. In fact, similar market situations happen every day and can be seen on almost any time frame. The only question is how fast the candles will form and whether you will have time to notice the pattern on the chart. For example, now each candle was drawn on the chart for 15 minutes, respectively, but if our time frame was too small, for example a minute or 30 seconds, then we would not have time to build levels and determine the price movement. Therefore, it is optimal to use time frame from 10 minutes to several hours. Let's also look at how to determine when the price on the chart will go for a breakout. And that is when the break happens. Break mostly happens when the trading corridor tightens. That is, most often several touches. Yeah, several touches should occur on the chart inside the trading corridor. For example, in this case there are 4 touches within the first corridor, and on the 5th touch there is a price decline. In this case the price breaks the support level. Most often it is 3-4 touches after which the price breaks one of the levels. So the same thing happens in the opposite direction. However, if you see such a long candle of any color when the price goes sharply in the opposite direction, the price is likely to break the level. And you can use the situation to your advantage and make a deal, guys. At this point we saw that the price went sharply downward, and at this point we could safely open a down trade and take a profit. At this point we can see that the price went over the upper border, but it was slowly going to this level, and here we have seen a lot of 15-minute candles without clear signs of a trend change. And in this case, it is better not to take risk and not to hope that the price will go further. In this case, on the contrary, the price went down sharply. In this case, there is a high probability that the price will go down further. So guys, this is what I've been using for the last few years and it's clearly making me money every single day. So please like this video if it was really useful for you and also subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about affiliate tools that can bring you from $1,000 per day, then go to my Telegram channel. Just click on the link in the description under this video. And thank you for watching this video to the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.